Hello traders. Today is the 10th of December, Thursday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. Just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live RD commentary support. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis and the right side is the trade taken based on that analysis. Today we had another amazing volatility, especially in the cable pairs. We had amazing trade as you can see in the morning, and the momentum was bearish. As we explained to our traders, the first priority would be the pullback short, otherwise the breakout. As you can see, price nicely developed a pullback, and as soon as the price hit to the green fib channel, we announced to bank some profit on pound dollar pullback short trade. This one again, once we bank some profit, and then later on, price develop another pattern, as you can see here. We have another beautiful short trade based on the momentum. Beautiful short trade. Another one on pound dollar. Pound yen, pretty straightforward as you can see based on the analysis. Beautiful pullback short trade. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. Beautiful pullback long trade as mentioned on the analysis. Pound yen, we have this pullback. Beautiful later and afterwards another one. Beautiful short trade as soon as the price hit to the support level, we announced to bank some profit on pound yen. Pound dollar again, once we have banked some profit, afterwards, price develop another pattern as you can see here. And we announced another short trade because we found very strong bearishness on cable. Beautiful short trade, another one on pound dollar, pound Swiss franc. As you can see, this was the beautiful one pullback, afterwards bank some few profit, and then another one pullback, beautiful another short trade, bank beautiful pips on pound Swiss franc. Dollar CAD, this was a beautiful triangle pattern breakout based on the momentum, as you can see here. Beautiful short trade. Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward, as you can see, as mentioned on the analysis. Look for the recent high or low breakout. Price nicely broken. Afterwards, we have another beautiful pullback long trade on Aussie dollar. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. You can see we had this beautiful breakout after price nicely hit to the profit target, and we announced another pullback short trade after the breakout. Beautiful. Euro pound, as mentioned on the analysis, price nicely basically respected this blue fib channel, as you can see, and develop a pullback here. And we have another pullback, another pullback. We have a beautiful, as we explained to trader, as soon as the momentum is bullish, we announce all these trades through live audio commentary and bank beautiful pips on euro pound. Pound yen, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Look for pullback, otherwise the breakout, because the price developed a double bottom here. So we have another counter long trade on pound yen. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward again. Beautiful breakout, consolidation breakout, long trade. And Aussie dollar, we already have this profit. And once that is done, as always, after the breakout, look for the pullback. As you can see, the price nicely developed another beautiful pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous high. We mentioned to bank some profit on Aussie dollar. Euro USD, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. We have this breakout. After the breakout, price good did not develop any pullback, proper pullback, as mentioned over in traders that look for the valid trade. As soon as the price came back to this level, and we announced another pullback long trade as mentioned on the analysis, price nicely hit to the profit target. Dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Look for the pullback short trade, price nicely hit to the profit target. Beautiful short trade. Dollar CAD, beautiful. You can see we had this breakout previously. Afterwards, as always mentioned, look for another pullback. Look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. We had another beautiful pullback short trade, price nicely hit. As soon as the price hit to the support level, we announced to bring some profit on dollar CAD. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward. Price nicely developed pullback as mentioned on the analysis based on the momentum, and price nicely hit to the profit target. Beautiful long trade. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful pullback short trade. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all these analysis details. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we also provide Forex coaching and training. Or even if you are struggling, most welcome, join our platform and see all that live analysis in real time and develop your trading skill in live trading environment. Or even if you're an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love the bank all that pips alongside with our professional trader. Once again, thank you for watching this video and have a nice evening, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.